I am very glad that Dalgado Konkani Academy has come forward with the publication on the life of Tomazin Cardozo, entitled Speaking Out the Life and Times of Tomazin Cardozo, written by Walter Menezes. I congratulate Dalgado Konkani Academy for bringing out this publication. Tomazin Cardozo has really done lots in the field of Konkani literature. He has worked and slogged to bring up the standard of Konkani in Romi script. I really appreciate his work. And not only he is a writer, but he has also penned down so many dramas, so many theaters, and he has acted and he has directed, and he has won so many awards. That is what makes of Tomazin Cardozo a great man, a great writer, and a great Konkani lover. So my heartiest greetings and congratulations to Tomazin Cardozo. Thank you.
हें पुस्तक खरेपणी 70 वर्सां म्हाका जाल्यां तेन्ना जावपाक जाय आसलें आनी हें पुस्तक 70 वर्सांच्या दबाज्याक जॉयल डिसोजा म्हणून तूं जाण आसतलें तो बरयतालो, पूण हांव चिंतूच तो बाबडो ह्या संवसाराक वतल्लो आनी ताणें तो पुस्तक कंप्लीट करपाक घडलें ना आनी 7 वर्सांच्या समारंभाक तें पुस्तक भायर सरलें ना. त्या उपरांत तेणें जो वावर केल्लो तो वॉल्टर मिनेझीस हाणें आपल्या हातान घेतलो आनी फाटलीं 4 वर्सां ताणें ह्या पुस्तकाचेर भयंकर खुबूच तकस घेवन एक बऱ्यांतलें बरें पुस्तक ताणें तयार केलां आनी तें आयज तुमचे मुखार आमी दवरतले.
आयच्या दिसाक एक व्हड कुशारकायेची खबर तोमाझीन कार्दोज हांच्या जिविताचेर पुस्तक प्रकाशीत जाता. ही कोंकणी माचयेक व तियात्र माचयेक एक व्हड अभिमानाची गजाल, कित्याक ताणें तियात्राक आपलें जायतें योगदान दिल्लें आसा. तियात्रच न्हय पूण वेगळ्या वेगळ्या क्षेत्रांनी ताणें आपलें योगदान दिल्लें आसा. खेरीतपणी तांकां परबी पाठयता तांच्या ह्या जिविताचेर पुस्तक उजवाडाक येता तेन्ना. तांकां कोंकणी भाशेचो खरीत मोग आसा आनी कोंकणी म्हळ्यार एक अस्मिताय ताच्या जिवितान जावपाक पावल्ली आसा आनी कोंकणीचो मोग तो पावला पावलाक तो परगट करीत आसा. हे ताच्या वावराची तुस तोखणाय करप म्हळ्यारूच आयच्या दिसाक हें पुस्तक येता ही एक व्हड अभिमानाची गजाल.
तुम्ही रिसर्च करता कोंकणी
तशेंच म्हाकाय एक अभिमानाची गजाल कशी दिसता, कित्याक तोमाझीन कार्दोजाचेर हो PhD करपाचो वावर हांवें सुरू केल्लो आसा आनी 5 वर्सां पुराय जाल्लीं आसात. ताच्या जिवनाचेर हो PhD संदर्भान हांव वावर करतां आनी आयज पुस्तक रिलीज जाता हें PhD वावराक अदीक म्हत्वाची घडी कशी हांव मानून घेतां आनी तांकां हांव एक देवाचो उपोट आशिर्वाद तांचेर पडूंक मागतां.
थोडें भोव इन्स्ट्रुमेंटल कोंकणीचें संगीत आमकां दिवपाक आनी आमचो वेल करमणूक दिवन आमकां वेल सारपाक. प्लीज गो अहेड. एलोयशा. आमचो आयचो मुखेल सोयरो भोव आयच्या या खेरीत दोबाज्याक पुस्तक उजवाड्याच्या दोबाज्याक पुस्तकाचें नांव जावन आसा स्पीकिंग आउट द लायफ एंड टायम्स ऑफ तोमाजीन कार्दोज. ह्या खेरीत दोबाज्याक जो घडून हाडला दालगाद कोंकणी अकॅडमीन तुमकां काळजान सान माय मोगाचो येवकार दिता. Dear friends, on behalf of Dalgat Konkani Academy, I extend a warm-hearted welcome to each and every one of you for this special function of the book release on the life of Tomazin Cardoz. The name of the book is Speaking Out and the author is Walter Menezes. आणि मातशेर आपली बोसका घेतली. आता आमी आमची फुडली कार्यावळ फुडें व्हरता. खंयचोच दोबाजो खंयचीच कार्यावळ सुरू जायना. सगळ्यांक काळजांतल्यान माये मोगाचो येवकार दिल्या शिवाय
अकादमीच्या ह्या खास सुवाळ्याक आयज आमकां मुखेल सोयरो म्हूण लाभला गोंय धर्माचो आर्चबिशप भौमानेस्त फिलीप नेरी फेराव. आयज ताच्या जिविताचेर पुस्तक उजवाडावचें आसा. तो आमचो महान मनीस बाब तोमाजीन कार्दोज, ताची घरकान्न बाय आयरीन कार्दोज, पुस्तकाचेर उलोवपी गोंयचो सायंटिस्ट दोतोर नंदकुमार कामत, पुस्तकाचो बरोवपी बाब वॉल्टर मिनेजीस, दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमीचो चिटणीस बाब विलियम फेर्नांडीस, भंडारी बाब सेल्सू, दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमीचो आदलो अध्यक्ष बाब प्रेमानंद, गोवा कोंकणी अकादमीचो प्रेसिडेंट बाब अरुण साखरदांडे, आमचे दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमीचे वावुरपी समितीचे वांगडी, कोंकणी बरोवपी आनी तुमी कोंकणीच्या मोगान व तोमाजिनाच्या मोगान हांगासर आयिल्ले सगळे मानेस्तांक म्हजो नमस्कार. शिक्षणीक पुस्तकां तयार करपाचो पयलेचें पुस्तक आदींच जाल्लें आसा. KG1 KG2 ही पुस्तकां आतां रोखडीच तयार जावपाची आसात. ताचो वावर संपादन समिती कडेन गेल्लो आसा. हे म्हत्वाच्या कामा बरोबर कोंकणी बरोवप्यांक मुखार व्हरपाचो वावर दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमी करता. दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमीन हातांत घेतल्या ती जावन आसा मालगड्या बरोवप्याचो भोवमान. म्हणल्यार च्या बरोवप्यांक 70 वर्सां जातात, 75 वर्सां जातात, 80 वर्सां जातात असो एक पावंडो घडटना ताचो वाडदीस मनोवप अशी एक येवजण दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमीन घेतल्या. आनी ही येवजणे मार्फतूच आयज आमी तोमाजीन बाबाचो भोवमान करूंक येवजिला. तुमी म्हणटले आयज खंय, ताचो वाडदीस 14 तारखेर. आमकां मातशें समजून घेवचें पडलें कित्याक 14 तारखेर ताचो वाडदीस करप. पूण ताची किर्ती इतली आसा की तो फकत बरोवपीच न्हय, तो राजकीय मळावेलो एक फांकी व्यक्तिमत्व. तो खेळगडो राजकारणी. ताच्या गांवांत ताच्या काळात ताणें 25 वर्सां सुमार सरपंच पद भुसयलें. अशा ह्या वेगवेगळ्या तासाच्या मनशाचो भोवमान जेन्ना कांदोळेची पंचायत करता तेन्ना ताच्या जिविताचेर उजवाडाव येवपी बूक थंय कसो कितें आपलें स्थान दाखयतलो आसलो हें येवजून आमी आयची तारीख निश्चित केली. आनीक हें पुस्तक ब्रॉडवे पब्लिकेशन हावसान तयार केलां तरी तें तोमाजिनाच्या जिविताचेर आसलेल्यान तें दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमीन उजवाडावचें असो थाराव घेतलो. आनीक दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमी स्थापन जाय मेरेन ते आज पासून ताचें इतलें योगदान आसा तातूंत तेन्ना ताचें फंक्शन ताची कार्यावळ दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमी घडोवन हाडूंक अधिकार थारता. अशा ह्या भोव बऱ्या वेळार आमी तमाजीन बाबाचो सत्कारूय करूंक सोदता. ताच्या 75व्या जिविताच्या 75व्या वर्सा निमतान आनी हो भोवमान करूंक आमच्या मदेकांत आयज विष्णू साहेब आसलेल्यान आमकां दुट्टी खुशी आसा. आमी खूब खुशाल जाल्यात विष्णू साहेबाक आमच्या मदेकांत घेवन. तुमी सगळे हांगासर हाजीर जाले आमकां खूब खुशालकाय भोगली. हांव तुमकां दालगाद कोंकणी अकादमीच्या नांवान हांव तुमकां हे कार्यावळीक येवकार दिता. तमाजीन बाब तुमी जरी ह्या पुस्तकांत भितर सावन आसात तरी हे कार्यावळीक तुमकांय हांव दोतोर नंदकुमार कामत तुमकांय हांव येवकार दिता. वॉल्टर बाब तुमकांय हांव येवकार दिता. आनी तुमी सगळीं हांगासर बरे भाशेन आमकां ही कार्य
A bouquet of flowers with all our love. A bouquet of next time together. A bouquet of flowers to Goa and a bouquet of flowers to to pen down the life of Thomas Sankara.
Violation of what we are facing. And I have to be very truthful as a teacher who taught virology for 27 years. I have taken personally a great risk. My wife was totally opposed for these attainments. But I overcame it. I said, in presence of His grace, I will have the blessings and nothing will happen to me. Because I have faith in Jesus. And I have faith in His shepherd. And I know with His blessings and your good wishes, we wish today Thomasin Bab happy birthday in advance, because we will not meet him on 14th at this place. You will be there in this beautiful place. So, Jiveta Sharada Shatam, पहिले तुका आमी पोरवी दिता, कित्याक हांगा केक बी कांय दिसूंक ना म्हाका. I was wondering whether it would be there. आनी एक there is one very powerful prayer, 5,000 years old in our Rigveda, which I always recite wherever I go and wish my friends, relatives, and anybody who is observing some good function. That is this: it desires everything good in life, and it desires a healthy 100 years. And it says that we should see good things with our eyes and hear good things by our ears, and speak good things and enjoy life full 100 years. Badram parnevi shunyam deva, badram pashyema kshabirya zatra, stirai range stushtuvan stanurvi, vashema deva hitam yadayu. And that's what I feel today for our Thomasin Bab Karduz. His Grace Archbishop of Goa and Daman, Thomasin Bab, Irene Bai, and all the office bearers of Dalgaad Konkani Academy. This is a great historic moment for your academy also, about which there is a lot of material in the book itself, and it is great historic moment for all of us also, because we are here witnessing a person who shares his birthday with one of the greatest human being on earth who ever walked on this planet, and who is a guiding torchlight for us even today, and would remain so in future, and that is Dr. Bharat Ratna Bhimrao Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. 14th April is his birthday, which Thomasin Bab shares. Now, I have been asked to speak on the book, and family is here, and for me he is a model and ideal person. We always discuss about him and Irene Bai in our family, And I always tell my students that you see that this multifaceted character. I had an occasion to meet Umberto Eco few years ago, and we were discussing, he is a very famous medieval critic and intellectual who expired few years back. Umberto Eco was here at the International Center, Goa. He had done a lot in Europe, and he is a well-known personality, a student of literature and so many other subjects. He used a word called polychronic, not polymath. So I was sort of discussing with him. He used to smoke a lot, and I was very uncomfortable about it. But I had to tolerate it, and because he was a great personality, and it was very rare to have such personalities in Goa and spend few moments with people like Umberto Eco, who just missed the Nobel Prize. So he described one thing, one word he gave me. He said, be polychronic. Now this polychronic term we can easily use in our day-to-day life as multitasking. So he described himself as polychronic personality because I asked him several questions about his diverse interests. So here also, if you read the book, you see in 12 chapters the genesis, development, growth, performance of a polychronic Tommaso Bob Cardozo. This book is a model example of how to capture the very essence of a life, a goal of a polychronic personality. Now from different cultural, anthropological, literary contexts, I can analyze this book. But this book has to be situated in certain historical time and space. Now what is the historical time and space? First of all, let us clearly understand the built-in complexity of this narrative, because this narrative, which is in 205 printed pages with 15 additional pages, a detailed chronology, and 8 color plates having 35 photographs, is totally around 220 pages or so, and it is one of the cheapest. I can assure you this because I purchased a lot of books. It is one of the cheapest book in Goa today for value for money. That is, you will not get books around 220 pages with such a colorful. You will see amazing Tommaso Bob, and I have described him as the very important Clark Gable of Goa. And there is a reference in the book. Honorable Archbishop His Grace would perhaps would not like what I am going to tell, that Tommaso Bob was injured in a football match and he was brought to medical college, and the surgeon, after he underwent one surgery minor and looked at his nose, it was not really right. I will have a better look at your nose. And he wanted to do another surgery for correcting the angle of his nose. That is what it is written there. But in those days, I think around 40-45 years back, in all professions, I tell you, we are today missing because of globalization, urbanization, nuclearization of family, and dehumanization, which I increasingly come across because of hedonism and material pursuits. Spirituality is dead, and dehumanization has set in our society, highly urbanized in India. What is it? Our society has lost the innocence. Goa has lost its innocence. This entire book is about innocence. An innocent Goa, innocent families, innocent people, innocent society, innocent deeds. Everything is all about culture of innocence. So the innocent doctor asks innocent patient, do you have a girlfriend? As if his physical appearance after the surgery, there was no plastic surgery that time, had something to do with romance, love, family and all that. Means you just see the innocent question, do you have a girlfriend? And he did not care about it. He said very, very categorically that time that he did not have. And I sort of pitied him. Because I share his personal life story also. In our lives, many things happened late. Degrees came late. Marriages happened late. Lots of things happened late. But I was listening to Mozart today morning to get certain inspiration because I like piano music. And there are history of piano music and also composers also, because I find lot of similarity between complex mathematics, structure of the universe, and piano compositions. Now that principal or headmaster was there who offered him the first teaching job, I think that was the right investment made by that. He must be a real visionary. The priest who helped him with the teaching job must be a real visionary that time. Because later you see from 1971 to 96, Thomasin Bach taking off as a teacher, as a school administrator, then headmaster, and also entering politics because the people forced him, compelled him to do social service, and politics becomes a part of social service. And at grassroots level you see that the middle chapters are all about how those 25 years, that is 1971 till he contested the first election as MLA and won from Kalangut constituency, became an MLA, and then became the Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly, and then later he decided to leave politics. So next 25 years, the middle 4 or 5 chapters which also showcase all about his contributions in sports field. That is a very interesting chapter I found, because in my village Santa Cruz also we have lots of volleyball and football craze. We have produced lots of sportsmen in badminton, table tennis, football, both men and women, college level champions and all. And during my childhood, not a day passed without playing football or volleyball, even during the heavy rains and all that, when there was a break during the monsoon. So that full chapter on sports will inspire any sportsman, sportswoman in Goa. The full chapter on theatra, there is so much to talk about. In fact, I am totally disappointed, and I told Thomasin Bach on phone also that you need to write separate books on me and theatra, me and Mando, me and Panchayat Raj politics, and me and so many other this one, me and church also, which the Church of Goa deserves, because that we need better books on Christianity in Goa, as we are fighting so many negative forces in the society, and they have to be countered very forcefully with our spiritual strength and mind and wisdom. And he is a wise person. There is that built-in structure, as I say, 25, 25, 25. And this 75th birthday or completion of 75 years also, they are all captured beautifully in this. And only missing, that issue is that truncation, means what is known as condensation of his overall contribution to theatre. How? Because I really thank him for bringing me to that area, because I did not know much, although in our village we used to see theatre performances, and we had good theatrists also from Kujira, Santa Cruz, Ribandar and all, and I know several of them. They were powerful actors and directors and all. But Thomasin Bach introduced me from a really critical angle, cultural angle, anthropological angle to the whole area of theatre in Goa. And we have worked together. In fact, I remember that I was appointed as task force committee chairman by the Degmar Kamath government. And then when he was art and culture minister, I was entrusted the work of that preparing the first state cultural policy in India. We did it successfully, and it was notified in 2007, January 7. And it held more than 80,000 culturally active artists and writers, and more than 20-30 schemes were prepared under that. Even the funds which are now given to Goa Konkani Academy, Dalgad Academy, so many, they have come out of many such schemes. But the point is this: there was a lot of demand for having a focused academy for theatrists. And Thomasin Bach was a member. We had 14 committees, subcommittees, and I asked him, you give your wish list, we will put it in the cultural policy and we will lobby for it. And he gave the wish list, and whatever he had given, I had incorporated in the draft cultural policy which went to the cabinet under Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. They approved it, and that it was gazetted, and then it was not sufficient. When Digambar Kamath became Chief Minister, I was following it. I said, केन्ना करतो? आमची Theatre Academy, there is mention that we should do this under Theatre Academy. So both of us followed it, and within 2 years, I think the Goa Kokani Academy was established. And that was a great achievement for both of us because one vision, one dream was realized. Recently, few years back, I wrote that there should be a UNESCO heritage tag for theatre. Understood? Inscription, just like Western Ghats have an inscription being a natural heritage. I identify certain forms in Goa like Perni Zagar, dance, drama, which is almost extinct now, and my good friend, former member secretary of Kala Academy, Dr. Pandang Pallesai, has done a lot of research, and he also involved me in that research on Perni Zagar. And there are only 10 people left on entire planet who knows that form called Perni Zagar, which is mask, dance, drama. So for that also we said Government of India and UNESCO has to do a lot because it is going to be extinct. Like languages are dying all over the world. Every year hundreds of languages, dialects are dying. We are left with 7,200 living languages now. India has 426 living languages. A living language is defined as a language which is spoken or used by 10,000, minimum 10,000 people. Our language, Kokani, is ranked 100th among 7,700 languages in the world, which are more than 10,000 speakers. And that is why, while working with him, I could see lots of facets of his organizational skills, and his temperament also to make friends. I never found him getting angry. I was closely associated with my neighbor, well-known social worker late Victoria Fernandez, and she always respected me as an intellectual and scientist and research scholar, and she had supported us during the All Goa Student Union student movement for 50% education, then to establish Goa University also, and we were very good friends, and she used to treat me like her son. So she came to me and said, please help me, I am a newly elected independent MLA and I don't know anything about rules and procedures of the assembly. I will need your help in framing questions, speaking on demand for grants, putting private members resolution. So I helped her till she was the member of the assembly. And during the first tenure of Victoria Fernandez, she was supporting Pratap Singh Rane government as an independent MLA. And he was the speaker. So I had to many times accompany her and sit in the visitors gallery and watch him as a speaker. And I never knew that time that one day I will be here, standing here, on the same side as that of a speaker, although he is no more in the politics. So I was assessing him, analyzing him as a Democrat, as a fair, justice and fair play, whether he is siding with the treasury benches or giving, attention to the opposition leaders, because I was very close to Dr. Kashinath Jalme that time, Digambar Kamath, Shripad Naik, Narari Alankar, Prakash Vahit, Shashikala Kapoorkar, and all those other this one. Sorry. I forgot to switch off my phone. It was some security supervisor. Sorry. There was some incident on the way. Somebody was trying to break inside the house. But our security supervisor woke up after 1 hour. That they didn't take the call. I don't know what has happened to the house behind my bed. So these type of things are always bothering me. And I was always wondering how taxing it is, for a teacher, headmaster, Tomazin Bab sitting for 5 hours, 6 hours, and then somebody will say that the assembly time is extended by 1 hour. I was wondering how long. 10 hours, 11 hours, 8 hours, used to sit there very quietly, patiently and all that. I think as Honorable Speaker of Legislative Assembly of Goa, later we met in the university, we were doing political science, post-graduation in political science. I tell you that there is nobody else living. The only person who was qualified was Dr. P.P. Shirodkar, our Prakash Chandra, the Pandang Shirodkar. He could have written a lot about this, then Gopalappa Kamath. And many of them have not bothered to write anything from the angle of the presiding officer, that is the Speaker of Goa Assembly. It is my request to you, for the purpose of the future, to train and equip new democracy, new Democrats, young leaders. You have to do this job to contribute. Perhaps you are a member of the Goa Legislative Forum, and next time when you meet before the election on 9th January 2022, you tell them that you are going to write a book on your experience as Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly. No, I am very serious about it, because you have to keep yourself further activities. See, we cannot forget Mozart. Although he have written 30 books, you will give him a big hand, 30 books. And there is no calm, because I just turned pages and I was wondering that this could be a Guinness Book of World Record, that so many prizes of theatre competition. I think they will exceed more than 100 in every area. And he's a singer, means I can't tell you, the whole book tells you about so many personalities in one personality. And simplicity, humility, very important. ठेविले अनंते तैसेची राहावे, चित्ती असो घ्यावे समाधान. That is, Westerners are studying the Warkari saints of Maharashtra in detail. Means, let us be satisfied with what God has given us. And there is another saying, नीचपणा बरवे देवा, न चाले कोणाचा हेवा, महापुरे झाडे जाती, तेथे लवाळे राहती. Big trees are uprooted by floods, but the grass which grows on the river bank, it simply bends. Now he may feel little upset, because I don't want to compare with that river grass. It is purely, he has said that, Tukaram, I have not said this. And then you will ask me where it is growing in Goa, which river bank. And our Mahade is drying, there is no more grass left and all. I was joking, but the thing is, this is the message. In my life, I am 62 years, that humility, very important. We have made great scientists, great philosophers, great writers, lot of ego, lot of pride, lot of arrogance, lot of hype. Everybody is burdened by the hype. Media creates hype, press creates hype, writers themselves create hype. He is not the first and last Christian author, male or female, who has written about his life. We have so many autobiographies. And if you even go caste-wise, you can see autobiography where Brahminism is all exposed. I am from high caste, so and so. So I am privileged. Feudalistic, what is known as the class, means that class which will never go to theatre, which will only go for concerts. And those who go to concerts will not watch theatre. But those who watch theatre will always go to concerts. I have seen this clear division in Goan society. Those who watch Kokani drama, theatres, very few, 10%, 20% will attend theatre. And those who watch theatre, 30% maximum will attend Kundlik nights or anybody else's modern Kokani drama. This type of division also I have seen in Goa in my life. And I was always wondered, are we not of same blood? Are we not united? आम्ही एका रक्ताचे नी गोंयकार, आमचे रगत एक नी, आमचे वंशकुळ एक नी, आम्ही एक नी, आम्ही खंयसून आयले, आम्ही एक नी, आता एक भास उलयना आम्ही. म्हणटकीच entire essence of the book is unity. Although he's talking about this script, that script, I wasn't much concerned about it, because as a scientist we know the whole humanity, 8 billion people, are divided into only 8 blood groups. Rest is all man-made. I recognize only 8 blood groups, and to my students also I used to ask this question, whether anybody is dying and he is very casteist or communalist, irrespective of religion, whether he will refuse a blood from another caste or religion when transfusion is needed. I said at that moment when his life is to be saved, why then we don't discriminate? And as soon as that patient leaves the hospital, immediately then he wears all those, that costumes of caste, community and everything else, language. So scripts divide, languages divide, good thoughts, good ideas, good literature, good music, good poetry unites. So basically we have to worship ideas. This book has given in 220 pages a nursery of ideas. We have to follow these nursery of ideas and take them to our new generation. because they hardly read anything which is in heart of Goa. New generation are dying. They are smart, they are intelligent, very intelligent, more intelligent than many of us. But serious, sustainable, consistent reading, deep reading, involved reading, focused reading is dying. We are trying to find out a way, both of us. I am chairing a state level committee on new library policy for Government of Goa. Another 8 months we have to finish that policy and submit, under which we are trying to now identify all these issues with e-books, e-literature, websites, internet, digital addictions, everything, and reading habits. But I tell you, this is one book every family should purchase and keep and give it to the young generation. This is a book which all Christian education institutions in India should have in their library. This is a book because it stresses strongly on family values, family upbringing, family support, family as an institution, family as one of the powerful insurance in life, family as a support system. It should be there in every Christian family as a handbook. How to deal with certain situations, how to come up in life, how to manage institutions, how to build institutions. He is an institution builder. He has built institutions. And it was good sort of that one fine morning he decided that he will leave politics. But I don't think he left politics. He left power politics. He left politics of positions. He left politics of elections. But he did not leave the politics of municipal, politics of humanity. And that book is all about politics of humanity by one of the finest human beings of Goa. I salute you. I thank the organizers for inviting me here. म्हाका आपयलो म्हणून तुमचे काळजासावन हांव उपकार मानता. कित्याक हो इतलो बरो मनीस म्हज्या लायफान आयलो, तो आनी ताची मिसेस, तांचें बेसांव आसा आमकां, तांचो आदार आसा आमकां. आयजूय आमी फ्रेंड कशे उलयतात. आमी रावल्यात 14 तारखेक. म्हाका आपयलां तांणी कांदोळे खूब उलोवपाचें, हांगा उलोवंक ना तें थंय उलोवपाक मेळटलें. कित्याक आमी स्टुडंट मुवमेंटान दीस काडल्या म्हणटकीच मायक हातान पावलो की आमी खंयच्या माचयेर कितें उलोवपाचें तें ऑटोमॅटीक येता आमकां. म्हणटकीच हांगा मातशें वेगळ्या भशेन उलोवचें पडटा आनी देवाचो मनीस आसता म्हणटकीच जिबलेचेर मातसो हें येता, जोक बीक मारूंक मेळना. कितें तोंडाच्या उतर भायर गेलें जाल्यार म्हाका पातक लागूंक जाता. म्हणून हांव माफी मागता आमच्या विष्णू साहेबाची, कितें जर वायट कितें रिमार्क तोंडांतल्यान गेलो आसत जाल्यार. पूण आय एम अ ग्रेट फॉलोवर. हालींच तुमकां हांवें म्हज्यो गूड फ्रायडे वयल्यो पोयट्री तुमच्या इमेलार धाडून दिल्यात. ताजी इगोर्जेन नोंद घेवची. आनी इस्टाराचेर पोयट्री धाडून दिल्ली आहा आमच्या डायसिजन सोसायटीक. हांवें तुमकां कळचें म्हणून आमी कवीत केलां ती रिजूचेर आमच्या. फकत पावचो म्हणून मेसेज ताचो आहा, तो आज चड गरज आहा ताजी. म्हणून आमी जेजूच्या नांवांनी मागया. संवसारांत जितलेंय बरेपण आहा, जितले बरे मनीस आहा, जितली बरी अंतस्करण आनी काळजां आहा, तांच्या सगळ्यांच्या नांवान आयज आमी मागुया आमकां आमी एक खूब खूब उपाट आयुश्य मेळचें म्हणून आमी मागुया.
Thank you, Your Grace.
Okay.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक माये मोगाचो नमस्कार करून देव कृपेन भरलेली सांज हांव दितां. तॉमासीन सराच्या जिविता वयर पुस्तक बरोवंक जॉयल डिसोजा मुखार सरलेलो, पूण 2015 वर्सा ऑगस्टाच्या म्हयन्यांत दुनिया देवान ताका आपल्या राज्यांत आपोवन व्हेलो. आनी त्या उपरांत हो वावर एक्सिडेंटली म्हज्या भुजांचेर पडलो. सो आय मे बी कॉल्ड द एक्सिडेंटल बायोग्राफर. इट इज अ फॅक्ट हांव हांगा तुवें बरोवप करता शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, पोएट्री. One of my reviews which I did on Father Ave Maria Afonso's Konkani book in the Roman script, Rendir Mam Anita Chinchili, was later included as a chapter in Vijay Kumar Datta's Coconut, the Art of Coconut Craft. Later on, a translation which I did of Padraig Fernandes' Konkani poem, Maja Mama Geli Goilangadi, was featured in the October 2016 issue of Godite Poetry Australia. So, I'm a ल्हान बरोवपी, but never in my life I had thought that I would one day write such a book on the life and times of an extraordinary person called Tomazin Cardozo. Joel D'Souza was a resident of Asagam, and every week he would meet Tomazin Sir in the morning in Kangoli and record his story in installments on his mobile. After the unexpected passing away of Joel, these recordings were retrieved by his son Clive, and he then handed them over to me in the form of series. When I listened to these recordings, I realized that Tomazin Sir's story was an amazing story, and I wanted to structure the book in a certain fashion, and to do that I needed time. Joel was aiming to release the book on Tomazin Sir's 70th birthday in 2016. But in my case, it was a tall order and a difficult order. And when I told Tomazin Sir in this regard, he did understand my position and my difficulties. Once his 70th birthday was over, the two of us, Tomazin Sir and I, kind of slipped into Susegat mode. We did meet on several occasions. There were many areas still to be covered and many questions to be asked and facts cross-checked. Then in 2017 and 2018, I was in Dubai, more in Dubai than in Goa, as I took charge of my new assignment there, that of taking care of our little grandson. And if my daughter is to be believed, I did a wonderful job. Towards the end of 2018, when I returned back to Goa, certain that my visits to Dubai would now be few and far between, I was determined to do a wonderful job once again as far as the book on the life and times of Tomazin Sir was concerned. By the third quarter of 2020, the first raw draft of the manuscript, after many revisions of course, was finally ready. It is true that during various stages of the manuscript, I would consult my son Dale Luis Menezes and seek his suggestions. So as I said, when the first draft was ready, I sent it across to Tomazin Sir. Only then he realized that there were still interesting incidents, like the incident of the nose which Dr. Nandakumar made a mention of, that he had forgotten to tell us and which should be incorporated in the book. So more sittings and more sessions followed. The second draft of the book was ready by the second week of January 2021. Decided earlier, we sent the draft across to Frederick Norona and Dale for their feedback and suggestions. By the way, Frederick had assured us that he would also help us with editorial assistance. I am very grateful to Frederick. Most of their suggestions have been incorporated in the book. Towards the end of February and the first week of March, just when I thought the project was finally coming to an end, 3 things happened that would greatly change the complexion of the book. First, my son called up and said, "Papa, this book needs a prologue. Pick up one defining moment from Thomasin Sir's life and write about it. Let it set the tone for the rest of the book." A few days later, when we were in Saligam for yet another session with Frederick, Frederick told me that I have not closed the book properly and that there should be an epilogue too. And as if this was not enough, then that very day when we were in Saligam, Thomasin Sir was speaking to Dr. Nandakumar Kamath over the phone, and between their conversation, he gave the mobile to me. This was the first time I was speaking to Dr. Nandakumar. So I began by telling him how the book is structured, etc., etc. But Dr. Nandakumar interrupted me and said that he is not interested in knowing how the book is structured. It was, after all, my baby, he reminded me. He told me that if a book of this kind does not have a chronology at the end, then this is no book at all. Now friends, you must realize we are only about a month away from the book release, and believe me, I panicked. Thomasin Sir also pressed the panic buttons. During those days, he was busy with the staging of his theatre Jivitachi Bhat for the 46th theatre competition organized by the Kala Academy. But during those crucial moments, Frederick was the one who told us not to panic. Bianaka, jate nahi. He told us repeatedly. And his mantra worked. He also helped me with the epilogue, while Thomasin Sir remembered the work that was done by Father Louis Gomes, his year of Mrs., which greatly helped us complete the chronology, the list of books published, the awards received, etc. Irene Bai was also of great help throughout. As far as the prologue is concerned, I had to request Thomasin Sir, busy as he was during those days with his theatre, to take me along a part of that route. Once you read it, you will come to know the route. A part of that route which he had travelled a long time ago. Mogalistano, I have given my very best, but if there are errors and mistakes in this book, please bring them to our notice so that we can incorporate the changes in the second edition. I sincerely wish that there should be a second edition, not because I have authored the book, although every author wants that his book should have a second or a third edition, but because Thomasin Cardozo is an extraordinary person, and his life and his times need to be read by a much wider audience. I take this opportunity to also thank the staff of Central Library Panjim for all their cooperation. I went there on a number of occasions. Willie Goyce for the cover photograph and design, Broadway Publishing House and Ed's Printers, and Deobare Korum to Dr. Nandakumar. Just a little more and I will close. Early in the book, you will find Thomasin sir when he was young, winning the first prize in the Letter to Mother competition. It was an all-Goa competition organized by the Portuguese government through its education department to celebrate Dia da Mãe, Mother's Day, coinciding with the feast of the Immaculate Conception of Mother Mary. The entry had to be in Portuguese, but finding that the right words would not come easily, he first drafts the letter in Konkani. Smart move, sir. And then takes the help of the parish priest to translate the same into Portuguese. Thomasin sir says, and now I quote from the book in this regard, I remember drafting the letter wishing Bori Saud good health to my mother and concluding it with words that I would forever be indebted to her for everything that she had done for me. Unquote. Mogalistano, सोपयता आसतना तोमाजीन सराक आनी तेच भाशेन आयरीन बायेक बरी सावध गुड हेल्थ हांव देता. जायत्या देण्यांनी आनी गुणांनी दोनया देवान तोमाजीन सराक बोल्लेलो आसा. ह्या सगळ्या देण्या आनी गुणां खातीर हांव त्याच दोनया देवाक दिनवासता. आनी अब्रिलाची 14 तारीख जरी अजून उजवाडची आसा तरी आयच्या ह्या खेरीत दिसा हॅपी 75th बर्थडे तोमाजीन सर म्हणून जल्मा दिसाची उनवणीत पोरबी दिवन हें म्हजें उलोवप सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
This book, but God had some other plans for Joel. And here is Clive, who helped to retrieve the data and all the notings that he had done in course of his research with Thomasin and hand it over systematically, well documented to our author Walter Menezes. I call upon Thomasin's Tiag books, wherein Thomasin projects the power of women in his Tiags, and it helped to compile the book in a chronological order. Willie Goyce. Willie Goyce has done the beautiful cover design for this book, and his cover designs are always attractive and as beautiful as him. A copy of the book also goes to Ed's Printers, Melvin, delivering the book on time. There is also Broadway.
आयज हांव खूब खोशी जाता आनी उपकार आठवयता कित्याक हें पुस्तक रेडी जाता म्हणसर जायत्या जाणांनी जशे परी आपणा लागीं घडटा ते परी आदार दिवन हें पुस्तक तयार केल्लें आसा. खरेपणी जॉयल डिसोजा जरी तर अकस्मात तो ह्या संवसाराक वतरलो ना जाल्यार म्हाका 70 वर्सां जाल्यार तेन्ना घडये हें पुस्तक तयार जावपाचें, पूण तें जालें ना आनी तें 75व्या वर्साक उरलें. आनी त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसलें की हो वावर जो जॉयलान सुरू केल्लो ताचो वावर जिवो उरोंक जाय आनी त्या खातीर हें पुस्तक हांवें जॉयल डिसोजाक डेडिकेट केल्लें आसा. कित्याक जॉयल डिसोजा एक ल्हान उतरांचो मनीस आसलो, भोव थोड्या उतरांचो मनीस, आनी तो सदांच म्हणटालो की तुज्या जिविता वयर पुस्तक येवपाक जाय. आनी तेणें सुरवातूय केलेली, पूण तशें देवान निर्मूख नासलें आनी त्या खातीर तें ताच्या हातांतल्यान जावंक कळ्ळें ना. पुस्तक येता म्हणसर जायत्यो वाटो चलच्यो पडटा आनी ह्यो वाटो चलता चलता कितली आडमेळी थिंगा उत्पन्न जाता ती जायते फावटी आमकां गोवना. आनी तेन्ना तूं हितून पडटाय तेन्नाच की तुका त्या सगळ्या आडमेळीचो अनुभव जाता आनी कितें करचें आनी कशें करचें हाचे विशीं विचार करून तूं फुडें वचपाक तांच मारता. खरेपणी आमच्या म्हज्या जिवितांत हें पुस्तक जशें परी आमचो नंदकुमार सांगतालो, हें पुस्तक म्हटल्यार म्हज्या जिविताची काणी. जे काणयेन दूख आहा, सूख आहा, त्रास आसा आनी एका ल्हान गरीब घराण्यांतल्या भुरग्याक जें कितें घडटा तितलें ह्या पुस्तकान आस्पावलेलें आसा. खरेपणी हांव 14 एप्रील 1946 वर्सा म्हाजो जल्म जालो आनी 14 मे 1946 म्हणल्यार एका म्हयन्या उपरांत म्हजो पाय ह्या संवसाराक वतलो. आनी अशें जाल्या कारणान गरीब परिस्थितीन एके आवयक फुडें कशें वयचें आनी इतलेंच न्हय, सरभोंवती आसा तो लोकपणी फायद्याचो आदार दिवपी तेवूय आमच्या नशिबान मेवलें ना. आनी त्या खातीर म्हजी माय, म्हजी मावशी जी आयज कॅनडा आसा, म्हजो भाव जॉन कार्दोज जो आयज हांगासर ना कित्याक ताका हांव जितूच कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह हें जालो आनी म्हाका दिसता म्हाजें पयलेंच फंक्शन तो नासतना, केन्नाच तो नासतना म्हाजें पयलेंच फंक्शन फुडें वचोंक ना. पूण तरी पूण देवाक जाय आसलें तें जालां आनी ताचो उपकार म्हज्यान केन्नाच विसरूंक जायना. कित्याक जरी प्रायमरी स्कुलान हांव चीट शिकलो, चीट बरोवपाक. एक कॅप्टन म्हणून आसलो आनी तो चीट वाचूंक बरोवंक शिकयतालो आनी ती सारकी चीट म्हटल्यार ती मागता तुका सावज आनी सुसेग दुनिया देवा लागीं आनी हें हांवें सारकें शिकलेलें. पूण थंय गेल्या उपरांत हांव प्रायमरी स्कुलान पावलो ना आनी प्रायमरी स्कुलान पावलो ना म्हणून म्हाजी 2 वर्सां पिड्यार जाली. त्या उपरांत थंयचो काडून इगोजेच्या इस्कॉलान गेलो. इगोजेच्या इस्कॉलान आमकां गायडन्स नासलें. माय शिकोवंक जाय पुताक वच शिकपाक वच त्या इगोजेच्या इस्कॉलान थंयसर ते पुर्तुगेजीन शिकयताले, सॉल्फेज शिकयताले, आनी थंयसर मात इगोजेन जी कितें कामां आहा सालवी आंज न्हेसपाचें हें सगळें जें कितें करूंक जाय आसलें तितलें हांवें म्हज्या भुरग्यापणार केलां. पूण इतलें आसून तुवें कितें जालें तें पळयात. हांव आंज न्हेसपाक इम्पॉर्टंट कॅरेक्टर आसलो आनी हांगा आमचें पुंगुळपा फेस्त फेब्रुवारीच्या 2 तारखेर जातालें आनी सायप्या फेब्रुवारान सालवी जाताल्यो देशे सायबिणीच्यो. तिणी हांवें मेस्त कारवालो ताका सांगलें सायब हांव फेस्ताक वयतां हांगा. तो म्हणलो ना फेस्ताक गेल्यार हांगा सालवांची सालीची वाट लागतली, तुका वचोंक मेळचें ना, तूं हांगा गरजेचो आहाय सारको. हांवें तें व्हडलें घेतलें ना आनी हांवें तेजें उतर हें करून कुशीक दवरून हांव फेस्ताक गेलो. फेस्ताक गेल्या उपरांत हांगा दिसता ताका त्रास जाले. हांव 3 दिसांनी येयल्या उपरांत आनी हांव पळय परतून इस्कॉलाक गेलां. मेस्त्री कारवाल्यान 1 मिनूट भर म्हाका दोळ्यां समोर दवरलो ना. वाशी मोर म्हणून धांवडायलो. एक बरें जालें, थंयसरलोय भायर पडलो खरो, पूण गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कुलान वचपाक म्हाका संदी मेळ्ळी आनी थंयसर मागीर हांवें सेगुंदराव गेलो. सेगुंदराव गेला तेन्ना हांव थिंगा थंयसर आमचे एक इल्दा आफोन्स म्हणून एक टिचर आसली. तिका दिसलो हांव मातसो व्हडलो आहा, एका हायटीन वर्सांनी व्हडलो आहा, एका दुसरे क्लासीक कितें बसयतलो. तिणें ती 4 जाणां आसली आमी आनी तिणें आमकां सांगलें तुमी ब्लॅक बोर्डाचेर वचात आनी तुमचें नांव सारकें बरयात. म्हाजें नांव आसलें लंबेर्ट थॉमस कार्दोज, बरेंच लांब नांव, पूण तरी पूण हांव नांव बरोवपाक सारको कुर्ती आसलो, बरें बरयलें हांवें सगळें आनी म्हाका इमिजिएटली तेरसेर क्लासीन घातलो. आनी उरलेले ते बरोवप चुकले म्हणून तांकां सेकंड क्लासीन दवरले. तेन्ना मागीर 4th क्लासीक थंयसर दिया दो माय खरेपणी म्हाका तेन्ना पर्यंत चीट बरोवपाक एकदम बरी येताली, कित्याक ती सारकी आमचो रिजनल फेर्नांदीस चिटी बरयतालो हेचेर, ते भाशेचे चिटी. म्हणटकच इल्दा आफोन्स म्हणून लागली तूं एक चीट बरोवन हाड आमी धाडया तुका तुजो हें. म्हणटकच हांवें कोंकणींतल्यान बरयली. हांव पुर्तुगेजीन कांय नकळो सदमतालो जायत, पूण फ्रेमींग सेंटेन्सीस बा तितलें हें नासलें. आनी मार्कूस वाज म्हणून एक पातकूर आसलो आनी तो म्हाका एकदम बरो करतालो, कित्याक हांव तेज्या सगळ्या कामांक तेज्या बाराबरीच आसतालो इस्कॉलाच्या इगोजेच्या कामाक. तेणें ते बरी पुर्तुगेजीन बरयली आनी म्हाका दिली. हांवें येयली आनी इल्दा आफोन्स लागीं दिली ती. इल्दा आफोन्साक बरी लागली ती. तिणें घेतली, हें केलें आनी पणजे धाडली. पणजे तर धाड 500 दिसां मदें हे येयलें की आय गॉट फर्स्ट प्रायज थ्रू आवट गोवा. फर्स्ट प्रायज थ्रू आवट गोवा फॉर दॅट लॅटर. आनी म्हाज्या जिवितांत पयलेच फावट हांव इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेझीस ब्रागांझा हितून पयलेच फावट प्रायज व्हरपाक येयलां मोटये कॉल्सांक घालून. आनी सांगपाचें इतलेंच, म्हाका जालें तेन्ना अशें दिसलें म्हाजी ती चिटीक जो प्रायज पडलेलो तो म्हाजे पुर्तुगेज भाशेक न्हू, पूण म्हाजे जे थॉट्स त्या हितून आसले ताका लागून तो पडलेलो अशें म्हाका दिसलें. पूण हे परी आमी जायते जिवितान जायते भोगलां, जायते सोंसलां. म्हजो मामा हांगा आसतालो, मोसांबीक आसतालो. तो म्हाका म्हयन्याच्या म्हयन्या 100 इस्कुदूस धाडटालो. मोसांबीक इस्कुदूस आसले आनी थंयसरले इस्कुदूस गोंयांत चलताले. वोटरां रुपया मेवताले हेका. तो म्हाका हेका धाडटालो. तो जाल्या उपरांत मागीर म्हाजें हें जालें, SSC वासेसी करच्या वखदार म्हाज्या भावान म्हाका सपोर्ट केलो. भावान सपोर्ट केलो तो कंप्लीट सपोर्ट केलो. कित्याक मागीर धेपी कॉलेजीन वचपाक जाय आसलें. दुसरें कितें आसलें, आमकां गायडन्स नासलें. म्हजो एक फ्रेंड नेविस माशारो B ग्रुपाक गेलो म्हणून हांवूय B ग्रुपाक गेलो. एक्चुली तेन्ना म्हाका कळ्ळें मागीर हो B ग्रुपाक he wanted to become the doctor, and those who wanted to be doctors they had to go through B science B group. पूण म्हाका मागीर गमलें तें हांवें म्हणलें बेश्टें केलें मरे. पूण तरी पूण कितें जालें, आमचें हे भाशेन आमी चुकोन फाकोन भावाच्या आदारान, आमच्या मामाच्या आदारान, म्हाजे मावशेच्या आदारान आमी ज्यो हे येयल्यो वादळ मोडां येयली तितली आमी काडली. आनी 1979 वर्सा तेन्ना मागीर आयरीन कार्दोज मेवले. त्या काळार आमचें पोजिशन मातशें बरें आसलें. तेणें आदले आमची परिस्थिती तितली पळोवंक ना, पूण हांवें सांगल्यार ती तें आयकून जाना. पूण कितेंय जावं आमच्या जिवितान म्हाका जाल्यार एक अशें दिसलां, तुजें मन तर नितळ आसत आनी तूं दुसऱ्याक वायट कितें करचो ना म्हणून चिंतीत जाल्यार तूं केन्नाच वायट करपाक पावना. तूं केन्नाच तुज्या वावरान डिफीट जायना. कित्याक गरजेचें तें बरें करपाक फाटीं सरोंक फावना. बरें करूंक जायना करिनाका, पूण वायट बात करिनाका. अशें म्हणूनच हांव म्हाजें जिवीत फुडें व्हरतां आनी वतोच आसा. निमणे सुवातेर आमचो वॉल्टर बाब खरेपणी फाटल्या आनी कितले फावटी ताका पणजे येवचो पडला. आनी हो बूक करतना तेणें आपणाचो खास बूक कसो तयार केला. त्या खातीर हांव वॉल्टर बाब तुका काळजांतां दिलो आसता. देव बरें करूं.
मोगाच्या इश्टानो, हांव ह्या सुवाळ्याक हाजीर आसूंक एकदम खुश आहा. जेन्ना तोमासी बाब आनी आयरीन बाय म्हाका आमंत्रण करूंक आयली, ताणें सांगलें बिशप आमकां जाय तुवें 2 उतरां सांगलेलीं ह्या सुमयार. पूण तीं उतरां सांगचे आदी आमकां कितें हांसपाचें मात सांगा. म्हणटच हांव तो 75 वाडदीस समारंभ म्हणटच ताची खोशी सोकला पडोवंक दिवंक सोदिना. It seems there were 3 friends, good friends. Professor Nandakumar Kamath said he has been a good friend of Tomasi. There were 3 friends, one Russian, one American and one Indian. They were very good friends. There was no pandemic time, so they went for a meal together. And each one of them was proud of their countries. All of us are. We are proud of the achievements of our countries. In the last year, so many achievements Professor Nandakumar Kamath has expressed. These 3 friends wanted to discuss about those achievements. The Russian started. He said, you know, Russia has made such progress. We have so many excavation sites, archaeological sites. We have them in Goa also. He said, in one site we were excavating, and as we went deep, 300 meters deep, and you know what we found right there, 300 meters deep? So the others asked, what did you find? He said, we found thick wires, thick wires. So the 2 friends said, what does that mean? And that means 300 years ago in our country, there was telegram system. The younger generation will not understand. Tomasi and I belong to that time when they used to make telegrams. And the message used to reach 3-5 days to reach, and completely changed. So he said 300 years ago in Russia, we had telegraphic system. So the Americans said, that's nothing. In America, we have hundreds of archaeological sites, and in one place when they were digging, they also went 300 feet deep. And you know what they found there? He said there were thin wires, no thick wires. So the others said, what does that mean? He says, it means in America, 300 years ago, we had telephone system. Now came the turn of the Indian. We are proud Indians. The Indians said, that's nothing. In India, we have so many archaeological sites, and in one of the archaeological sites, as they were excavating, when they reached 300 feet deep, they found there were no wires, neither thick ones nor thin ones. So the others said, what does that mean? It means 300 years ago in India, we had wireless system. All of us are proud Indians. Nanda Kumar and Thomasin also. I know the after tomorrow, Thomasin is celebrating his 75th birthday. And Thomasin and Irene are a good husband and wife. It seems a man wanted to throw a party for his wife's 75th birthday. So he went to order for a birthday cake. And when he went to the cake shop, the salesman asked the husband, it's your wife's 75th birthday. What words would you like me to put on the cake, on the birthday cake? So he was caught unawares. He thought for a while. And he said, look, you put like this. You are not getting older. You are getting better. You are not getting older. You are getting better. But the salesman said, how should I put it? How should I place the words? He said, you put, you're not growing older at the top. And you put, you're growing better at the bottom. Okay. So finally, when the cake came, all the people who were at the party were amused at reading this message. The message on the cake, the birthday wishes, were, you're not getting older at the top, you're getting better at the bottom. I don't know what message Irene would like to give to her husband day after tomorrow. I leave it to your creativity. Dr. Bab Nanda Kumar Kamat, गोंय विद्यापीठाचो प्राध्यापक आनी आयच्या दिसा उजवाडाक आयलेल्या पुस्तकाची प्रस्तावना बरोवपी श्री तोमासीन कार्दोजो ह्या सुवाळ्याची मुखेल व्यक्ती, श्रीमती आयरीन बाय कार्दोजो ताचे बाजूक सदांच आसतली सांगातीन आनी शक्ती दिनारीन, श्री वॉल्टर मिनेझीस लिखणेन आनी काळजाच्या सुतांनी हें पुस्तक विनवपी, श्री विन्सी क्वाद्रूस दालगादो कोंकणी अकादेमीचो बोर्तो अध्यक्ष, दुसरे दालगादो कोंकणी अकादेमीचे पद अधिकारी, मानेस्तानो आनी इश्टा इश्टिणीनो, आमच्या गोंयांत तोमासीन बाब कार्दोजाचें नांव सगळ्याक गाजलोलें आसा. आसा की ना? आसा. चड करून खंयचे वाटेन व कसले संबंदी तें गाजलां काय? दुबाव बीन कोंकणी भाशे संबंदी. तोमासीन बाबाचें नांवच काडल्यार मनान कितें येता तें पळयात. कोंकणी बरोवपी, कोंकणी भाशणां करपी, कोंकणी कलाकार, कोंकणी संगीतकार, कोंकणी तियात्र बरोवपी, माचयेर हाडपी आनी नाचपी, कोंकणी मांडेकार आनी कोंकणी संस्कृतीक संस्थांचो स्थापणार आनी चलयणार. कोंकणी 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 म्हणून हांवें चिंतलें म्हजीं थोडीं उतरां कोंकणींतल्यानूच उलोवप. तें मागीर उजवाडाक आयलां तें पुस्तक इंग्लिशींतल्यान वा आनी खंयचेय भाशेंतल्यान जावं. आनी हांव एकटो ना म्हूण म्हाका खुशी भोगता. म्हज्या आदीं आयिल्ले उलोवपी नंदकुमार कामत, वॉल्टर मिनेझीस, आनी तोमासी बाप ते कोंकणी उलोवन गेल्या आनी देखून ते फुडें म्हाका संतोश भोगता. ओय तोमासीन बाब पयल्याच फाराक फुडल्यान, फाटल्यान, दाव्यान, उजव्यान, भितरल्यान आनी भायल्यान एक नांव असतो कोंकणी मोगी ओ बोगत कसो पर जोडटा. पूण ताका आनीकूय सबार बाजू आसा. तोमासी इज अ मॅन ऑफ मेनी पार्ट्स. ह्यो सगल्यो ताच्यो बाजू कश्यो सांसपोवच्यो, कश्यो आटोपच्यो. आयच्या दिसाचें पुस्तक तुमच्या हातान पडटकीर म्हजी एक सूचना तुमी घेवची. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एंड, नॉट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. फोटो गॅलरीची निमाणी 16 पानां सोडून क्रोनॉलॉजी हो 13 पानांचो विभाग तुमी घेवचो. त्या पानांनी तोमासीन बाबाचें व्हडटेपण जें ताणें गोंयचे पासत, भारता पासत, समाजा पासत आनी पवित्र सोबे पासत केलां, बरयलां, माचयेर हाडला, प्रकाशायला, स्टापला, घडोवन हाडला, संपादला, पुरस्कार आनी इनामां वाटेन जोडून घेतला आनी आदी ह्या सोकटाचो संक्षेप बरेंच दामून चेपून आलोवन आनी ओतो सोर सुयेन भरलेले माप जाल्ले परी तुमच्या दोळ्या मुखार जिगजिगतलो. ह्या मान मनशाचो सुमार ओ वालोर तुमकां 9-4-5 पूण 13 चिकार भरलेल्या पानांनी मेळटलो. मागीर ह्या पुस्तकाची उरलेली 209 पानां वाचूंक तुमकां भरपूर रूच येतली आनी एकेच खेपेक तुमी आख्खें पुस्तक वाचून काडटलीं. म्हजें उतर तुमकां साबार तियात्रांचें आनी नाटकांचें आत बरोवप सोडचें सोडून तोमासीन बाबान 35 कितें पुस्तकां प्रकाशायल्या. भोव करून कोंकणी भाशे वयर, गोंयच्या संगिता वयर आनी आमचे संस्कृताय वयर ताणें बरयल्या ह्या सोबार पुस्तकांनी आनी अभ्यास पत्रांनी ताका व्हड आब्रू आनी मान मेळ्ळलो आसा. पूण आयज आमी समोरुमतांव तें खेरीत पुस्तक ताणें बरोवंक ना. ताचे वयर तें बरयल्लें आसा. तें ताचें एक चरित्र, बायोग्राफी आनी येदें नांव जोडलेल्या व्यक्तीचें एक चरित्र ना जाल्यार कितेंय तरी उणें आसा म्हणपाचें. तोमासियांच्या जिवितान असलें उणेंपण आसलें लेगून जाल्यार तें आयज नपयत जाता. स्पीकिंग आउट द लायफ एंड टायम्स ऑफ तोमासिन्हो कार्दोजो हें पुस्तक आयज उजवाडाक येवन तोमासीन बाबाच्या जिवितान एक गरजेचो नीस ओ चिन्ह लँडमार्क्स टाकून येता. एके भाशेन हें पुस्तक ताच्या कपोलार एक फावतो आनी मोलादीक मुकूट. मुकूट म्हणटा म्हणून एक समारोप ओ डेडलायन म्हणपाचें ना. रेस ओ दाव अजून चालू आसा. आनीकूय मुकूट जोडचे आसात. आनीकूय पॉयंट चिन्ह ओ लँडमार्क्स जिखचे आसात. आनीकूय येस आनी जैतां पुंजावचीं आसात. जिविताची 75 वर्सां ताका भरतात म्हणून आतां तोमासीन बाबान पांय उबारून रॉकिंग चॅरार बसपाचें न्हय आनी असलें काम तो केन्नाच करपाकूय ना. This is not and cannot be your swan song. पळयात ताका. आमचो प्रस्तावनकार नंदकुमार बरयता ते परी तो आजून एक रसरशीत आनी शिरवंत हॉलिवूड स्टार क्लार्क गेबल कसो दिसता. आनी म्हाका दुबावूच ना. तोमासीन बाब भितरल्या भितर अजून जायतीं सपनां सोपलेता. जिवितान जायतीं नवीं पावलां मारूंक येवचिता आनी आपले आयरिणी सांगता आनी तिच्या फाटबोडान आनीक जायतें करूंक ताका येवजता. ताका ताचीं सगळीं सपनां साकार जावची आनी चिंतलोलीं कामां येसवोन जावची म्हूण ताच्या वांगडा हांवूय आस बाळगितां. नंदकुमार अशें म्हणटालो, म्हाका सारको उगडास आसा जाल्यार तो सोनवान्स ल्हानविकायेच्या सादेपणाच्या रस्त्यार चल्लो आनी तोमासी बाप आपली भावना उक्ती करतना दानियल आमकां म्हणटालो तो एकदम भावनीक. म्हाका दिसता असल्या समयार आमी भावनीक जाता आनी खरीत भाशेन ताचो भाव जो ताका एकदम लागीं आसलो, ताच्या जिविताचे बाटेर ताका खरीत भावपणाचो तेंको दिलोलो, तो आयज हांगासर ना म्हूण आमी आयकलां. कोंकणी भाशेन एक म्हणणी आसा, जर तर तुजें मन बरें देव तुका दिता केलें. हेंच तोमासी बाप म्हणटालो, बऱ्या मनान आमी केलां, जिविताचे वाटेर जायतीं तुफानां उपरासल्यान पूण देवान आदार केला. कोंकणी भाशेन दुसरी म्हणणी आसा, मोय जा आनी साकोर खा. आमच्या भुरगेपणाचे यात्रेन आमकां आडकोळी तुफानां मेळ्ळ्यान जाल्यार हें आमकां एक आव्हान जावन आसा. न्हय, जिविताचे वाटेर आमी ल्हानवीक आनी सादे जावं, पूण दुसऱ्यांक तुफानां मेळटात तांचे अवघड परिस्थितीन तांकां मजत करूं. आयज तोमासी बाबान आपल्या भावाचो उगडास केला. म्हाका दिसता थोडीं वर्सां जालीं ताचो वाडदीस खंयचो तो नोको पयशीं, तेन्ना तोमासी बाबान एक पुस्तक बरयलें, दिनवाशी मनान तें आपल्या भावाक भेटयलें आनी तेन्ना म्हाकाय ताची एक प्रती धाडलेली आनी तो म्हाका मेळूंक आयिल्लो. तेन्ना हांवें सांगलेलें, काय बरी देख आमकां आमच्या गोऱ्याब्यांनी भाऊ भयणां मदें मोग सांबाळूंक. आनी हेंच आमकां आमचो प्रोफेसर नंदकुमार सांगतालो की त्या पुस्तकान फामिलीच्या जिविताचेर आमकां स्फूर्ती दितेतलीं चिंतनां आनी भावनां आसात आनी भावां मळे असलो मोग आसूंक ताच्या व्हडल्या भावान ताका सदांच तेंको दिलो, ताका शाबासकी दितालो आनी म्हणटालो, आमचे मदें ही परंपरा भाऊ भयणां मदें आदार दिवंक, अवघड परिस्थितीन तेंको दिवन एकामेकाक वयर काडूंक, असली भावना असली वागणूक आमचे फामिलीन वाडून वेची आनी फुलून वेची म्हूण हांव उलयतां. आनी तोमासी बाबा म्हणटालो, आयजसान तुज्यान रॉकिंग चॅराचेर रावंक जावचें ना आनी तूं रावंक सोदिनाय म्हूण हांव जाणो, पूण प्रोफेसर नंदकुमारान तुका जायतो होमवर्क दिला. मी एनतीयाक, हांव आनी तियाक, हांव आनी मांडो, हांव आनी स्पोर्ट्स, हांव आनी पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ ह्युमॅनिटी, नॉट ऑफ पावर पोजिशन, जायतो वावर करपाचो आसा. आनी देखूनच देवाच्या आशिर्वादा बगोर असलीं कामां फुडें वचना. तर आख्या पृथ्वेच्या रोचणारान हे आमच्या भावाक तोमासी कार्दोसाक आपल्या उपोट आशिर्वादांनी भरचो आनी ताच्या उरलेल्या जिविता आनी वावरा वरवीं आमचो गोंयचो समाज आनी गोंयची पवित्र सोबाय बी फुलोत आनी बालेत वचो. 40 वरां तुज्या 75 वाडदिसाक उरला, पूण हांव सयक घेता देवाच्या आशिर्वादान आनी कृपेन भरलेलो वाडदीस तुका आनी देवान तुजेर, तुजे पत्नी बाय आयरिनाचेर, सगळ्या तुज्या घरच्यांचेर आशिर्वाद घालचो. तुज्या भावाक बेगीनच बरी भलायकी मेळची. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं.
चोड देव बरें करूं मानादीक विष्णू साहेब. एक मोगाची भेट मानीस दोतोर नंदकुमार कामत हांकां. तशीच एक मोगाची भेट आतां हांव मागणी
ताणें आपलो खास वेळ ह्या सुवाळ्याक दिलो. तुका काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तालगडो कोंकणी अकादेमीच्या नांवान. सदांच आमच्या बरोबर असोच आसचो, सदांकाळ तुजो आशिर्वाद आमचेर आसचो हें आमी आवडटा. देव बरें करूं.
गेलो